Okay, well, with the last paper one that I marked for you scored 36, which is pretty poor. I'm hoping that I'm going to see a big improvement this time. Let's see how you get on. Okay, good to there. You've gone wrong here. So you were doing 295, 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 295, which is 1180. And then you've jumped from that calculation to 7, which is wrong. Okay, and there's not enough method in what you've done there in order to merit any marks. Okay, you need to do a bit more to take 4 lots of 295 to 7, and then, like I said, that's the wrong answer anyway. That's correct, 0.78. This is wrong. 3/4 is a decimal. It's one that you just need to know. It's 0.75. Okay, you need to know your standard decimal percentage fraction equivalents for quarters. That is correct. 5, 10, 7, 8 is correct, but the mode isn't 3 because the number of children that's occurring most is 2. So that's a careless mistake there. So total for the page: 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So there's 4 marks you've left on that first page. That's fine. 4 marks for that. That's correct. This is wrong. AB is not perpendicular to DC. Here's DC. Perpendicular means at right angles to. The line that's at right angles to that is AE. So you need to know what perpendicular means. You've got the parallel one. And you need to practice measuring angles. Watch how I do it on the video and make sure you understand, and you can do that yourself. That's correct, that's correct. Well done. And that is good stuff. So, what have we got here? 3, 2. Right, 43 is right. Your method is right. How on earth have you got from 43 to 29? It's area, so that needs to be centimeters squared, and I've got no idea where that 29 has come from. So you've got conflicting numbers. I can't give you the marks for that. I can give you the method mark for what you've done, but your answer is wrong and your units are wrong because they should be centimeters squared. 6th page. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Good. Basic algebra. If you can't do that, it's certainly something you need to focus on yourself when revising. Watch how I do that question on the video clip, because there's 5 marks there you shouldn't be getting wrong or leaving out. 54 times 76. 54 times 76. 28, 30. So that is correct, but what you then need to do is add up these columns, which you haven't done. So you aren't going to get the final mark, but your method and the middle bit is right with you. 3/8 is 18. Good. That's wrong. Now all you need to do here is take the 2 unit numbers, the 7 and the 8, times them together, and whatever they end in has to be the answer that these end in, that the full numbers end in. So 7 8 are 56, ends in a 6. The only answer that ends in a 6 is that. So that's what you're looking for. 66 isn't the cube number. 61 and 67 are, but 63 isn't prime because 9 and 7 go into it. So you're going to lose 1 mark for the extra wrong answer. Take a look how I explain that in the video clip. It's something you should be able to do. And again, you need to choose a method for doing non-calculated subtraction and practice it until you get it right. Watch how I do it on the video. 2, 4, 5 for the page. We will be practicing these in class, but if you watch how I do it on the video, hopefully you'll be able to work it out yourself. Those are correct, good. This is wrong because it should be a 9. Alright, I suspect what you've done is you haven't included the 8. It's 8 or less, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. 9 ways that he can win. 5 for the page. That's not 81. Can't see your method, so I can't give you any marks for that, but what you should be doing is taking 56 away from 180 and dividing by 2, because both of those are going to be the same angle. And then you've got 81 and 43. And again, that's not right, and there's no method that I can see there to give you any marks. And that's fine, so that's good. So have a look at how I explain that on the video clip, and make sure you can get your head around it, because angle properties come up every year. Yeah, you do not believe so, which is fine. However, you must give a reason for your answer. So without a reason, you can't get any marks. This is good. Lots of people struggle with that. That's not right, and you're not showing me any method, so I can't give you any marks. Watch how I do that on the video. That's not right. That is, and that's not right because that one's wrong. So you got 2 out of 4, so you're going to get 2 marks for that. No. You don't have to have 2 lines which are equal length for a triangle, but you do have to have 2 lines which, when you add them together, come to a value greater than the third side, otherwise they just won't meet. And again, this is algebra and something that you need to practice. Right, so what did I say? Well, 37 was it last time? 36. Well, I think you've beaten that, but I'm still disappointed in what you've done. There's lots of marks you've thrown away. Anyway, 14, 20, 26, 26, 36, 41, 46, 50, 55. Big improvement. At least we're talking a grade D there. And you're 10 marks off a C. Now, if you just practice solving equations and take a look at some of the careless marks you've thrown away, you can easily pick up those 10 marks. So we're moving in the right direction, and we've got time to keep that improvement going.